For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to DIY a sunburst vase inspired by Z Gallery. This will be a Dollar Tree DIY vase and I'm making it to match my beautiful wall decor from last week. If you didn't see that one as yet, I'll link it to the end of this video so you can check it out when you're done. So let's get started with making our vase. I used one large plate from the Dollar Tree to cut my circle, and I'm using a foam board from the Dollar Tree. I'm just taking off the two outer layers so I won't have any shrinkage when I paint the foam board. I'm just using my sanding paper to smooth the edges so I can have a nice finish. So now I'll be drawing my sunburst, and to find the center on my foam board, I'm using a square book, and I'm just lining up my ruler with the corners of the book. And then I'll just continue to draw the lines until I'm satisfied with the spaces. I'm drawing my sunburst on top of the paper so you can see what I'm doing, but you will be taking your paper off, okay? If it's your first time here, I just want to give you a warm welcome. My name is Nisi. The channel is Budget Friendly Creations. I hope this video will give you a reason to stick around. Subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on so you'll get notified every Friday when I upload a new video. And for all my current subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support my channel. Now I'll go ahead and cut out my shape, and I'm cutting along the lines on both sides of the lines. I'm using a scissors right here, but you want to use a sharp blade instead so you can have clean lines, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is how I want it to look. I actually want my spaces to be larger, and I want a nice round circle in the center. So I'll be using this mirror just to mark the center so I can know where to stop cutting, and then I'll use my sharp blade to cut along the line so they can be nice and sharp. So I'll just do that for all the spaces, and I made 2 pieces of that. So those 2 pieces are the design. We're going to work on the frame of the vase. So to make our frame, you will need 2 circles, and I also found the center of those circles. And then you'll need 1 piece which is 3 inches wide, and then I'll be cutting a separate piece, and I'll be using this piece to reinforce the sides. So now it's time to assemble our pieces, and I'll be using my wood glue for that. The circle for my frame is actually smaller than the design because I was running low on foam board, but I'll be cutting off the edges after they're dry. And I'll be doing that for both pieces, and then I left them to dry for about an hour. Now I'll use my hot glue to affix this piece between both circles. And then I went ahead and used my sharp blade to cut off the excess. And then I'll just attach 1 piece of foam board to the base so I can have a flat surface. And now I'll go ahead and I'll just attach these two pieces to the sides, and that will make it look a little bit fuller, and it will also add some strength. Now I'm going to take it outside and sand down all the edges so I can have a smooth finish. So now it's time to prime my vase and prepare it for painting. So I'm going to be using cornstarch to help me to fill those gaps that I have between the foam boards. And I'm just using the cheapest paint that I don't really use because this will be like a filler. I'll be using a generous amount to fill all the rough edges, and then I'll just leave it overnight to dry. After it was dry, I went ahead and painted it blue, and I'm using the paint that I bought from the Home Depot on the discounted racks. And I also painted the edges of the inside with off-white paint. Now I'll just go ahead and I'll use my hot glue to attach my mirror. Just make sure you put the mirror in the spot that you really want it, because it will not shift. I tried to shift it and it would not move. And if you're going to be using this vase on a center table, then you want to put two mirrors, but I'll be using one. And that is it, guys. We're all done. I'm so happy with the way it turned out, but what do you think, guys? Do you like it? Would you try it? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to talk to you. I attached last week's video. It's right there on the left. You can click it to watch, okay? It's the matching wall decor from Z Gallery. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And take care. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.